Hi, my name is Greg Davis. I'm one of the course directors for the SOAR meeting. That's a Seattle Otology and Rhinology course. This is an amazing 3-day course that covers 1 day in the lab focusing on rhinology surgery, 1 day in the lecture hall with panels and lectures on rhinology-based issues, then otology-based issues, and then a full day in the otology lab. And the neat thing is you can design your own course. If you want to go to the entire 3 days, that's great. If you want to focus on rhinology or otology, you can sign up for just those.
I think the best thing about this course is the great opportunity to be in the lab here. We've gotten all the best tech here for you, and the companies do a great job of bringing it in. So the hands-on opportunities, both in terms of operative procedures and novel office-based procedures.
Special this year, I am encouraging a focus on office-based rhinology. And I've invited some of the experts in the entire country to teach us how to do better surgeries in the office and take better care for our patients.
And so if you want to learn from the best in the country with all the best equipment and technology, this is a great opportunity for you to get your hands on each of those tools that we can use in the operating room and help you with your patient outcomes.
So please join us at SSF in February for the 14th annual SOAR course. Spots are limited, so sign up today.